So I'm going to show you how to make some really delicious candied sweet potatoes that take no time at all to make, except I'm cheating a little bit. I'm starting out with sweet potato fries, some frozen sweet potato fries, and this bag is from Safeway. It's a Safeway brand, and these I've had before and they taste just fine. This actually I'm gonna cook about half the entire bag, so I can put in about half a bag at a time, and this is actually about half. Yep, so I have about this much left, and I put about this much in here, and I'm just gonna cook these fries for about 10 minutes in an air fryer. Don't let the name fool you. This is not this little appliance or gadget is not going to fry anything. It's like a mini convection oven, so it cooks things at high heat, and it cooks things evenly. It will get things that are cooked crispy depending on how long you cook them, and it will help cook things quickly, but it's not going to fry anything. It's not a fryer. It's like a mini convection oven. I love this little appliance. I use it often because you can cook tiny portions. Obviously, it's for cooking small portions. And so I'm gonna use this to cook the fries for 10 minutes. So here goes on. And whenever you want to cook something like this, the critical thing is to get the temperature as high as possible. The maximum that this machine will cook is at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's fine. And then for time and start. And so now it's gonna cook for 10 minutes. So now while the fries are cooking, I'm going to make the candy part. So I'm just gonna add tiny bit of oil, just really little bit. There, that's enough. And then I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of sugar, like that. And then I'm just going to let this just melt. Let the sugar melt at high heat. And just caramelize. Obviously, you can add a little less sugar, a little more sugar to your taste. And the oil, you just want to add just a little bit. So this is pretty much, I'm just taking sugar and melting it, and I'm gonna coat the fries with it. So this is pretty much a foolproof recipe. You don't have to take any kind of exact measurements. Let's see if I can do this. So, see, the sugar is melting. This happens quite quickly in high heat. I have it at maximum heat, so this is gonna happen really quickly. So I start this process a few minutes into the cooking of the fries, because this is gonna happen in, like, I don't know, maybe like less than 5 minutes. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty brown. And this is what the fries look like. They're done. So now I'm just gonna coat the fries in the sugar, caramelized sugar. And that's it. So here are my candied sweet potatoes. Yum. Very hot. But this is really great to eat when you're craving something super sweet.